What's going on, guys? Danny or Wi-Fi Astronaut back here, and today we're going to be going over some live wholesale sourcing. Now, I'm actually going to be using a pretty large distributor for this. Now, you guys have seen them on the channel before. I've gone through their website before, and it's extremely large distributor. There's usually not a ton of profitable stuff, and when it is profitable, sometimes there's something up. Maybe people are breaking the rules, going under map prices or whatever. But let's go in. Let's take a look. Let's see some profitable products. This is a good website. It's called D&H. It's D&H. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I've used it on the channel. It's a really good company to honestly place back orders with. But you have to actually call the sales reps and place them, because I think they do it in like two different ways, from back orders that are placed just on the website, and then when you actually call the sales rep. Because I've placed back orders on this website just online by myself without calling any sales reps, and they kind of get like lost in the void. So if you are placing any back orders, make sure to call your sales rep, which is somewhere in your settings. You'll find who your sales rep is. Call them, and if you don't have one, call anyway. Call just D&H and get one, so you can place some good orders and get that going. But without further ado, let's get into it. So there's no kind of sort of way I'm going to do this. I'm just going to kind of go randomly in. Now, I will just go by products. Let's start home and outdoor, and let's just view all home and outdoor. And then let's just go through and just start looking for profitable products here. Look at things that are hopefully in stock. So, and another quick way to check the stock counts on D&H is you see where it says Y. Y obviously is yes, no is no for if it's in stock or not. If you actually click on it, it will tell you how much of this item is in stock. So for this specific one, let's click in, and then we're going to go find the UPC code, copy that. And when I copy these UPC codes, I just do Control-C, and it makes it a lot easier. Also, if you guys are using two monitors, makes this heck of a lot easier. I believe this is it. But the rank is super, super high. Although it is kind of selling, to be honest. You'll sell maybe a few, like 5 or 10 a month. There's no buy box. We're not going to buy this product, nor is it profitable. So move on. Let's keep going here, and we're just going to go down the list and see what we can get. So obviously there's some items, some brands that I need authorization for, so we're going to skip those. I'm not going to kind of small little things like this can be good, but this is like really, really specific. When it's like pool filters to like some of the big pool filters, that some of the big like pool pumps that sell, those usually are good, but like something like this, it didn't even show up because it's way too specific. But let's keep going. We got pressure induction canner. Copy the UPC. And let's see what we got. All right. And then just real quick off the glance, obviously if this number is too high, I don't even click in. And then I see that it's a good number. I'm able to hover over and just see the Keepa chart real quick. Solid Keepa. Looks like the new third-party FBA offer has dropped a little bit, but that's fine. Let's click into it and check out what's going on here. So we got some merchant fulfilled offer, which is highly possible that they're actually drop shipping this from D&H, as they do have a drop shipping program, but it's pretty expensive. You might as well just do it yourself, merchant fulfilling it. So it looks like you got 30 sellers on this. It's not terrible. It looks like the new offer count is fairly stable. Keep is great. However, obviously the profit number 128.33 is not very profitable on this for FBA, at least. Right, we're going to be down $10. This might be a product I can mark off and see if the distributor D&H will get me it lower. It is possible that they will, because there are a lot of people selling this at 162. So that, or it makes me seem like they might actually be buying this somewhere else. So let's just do a quick search and see where people may be buying this from. So D&H price is 128 already. We see Brian's Farm 125, and this is interesting. This is a little. These might be some sketchy little websites here, but let's actually click into this one, the mensoutfit.us. If it loads, seems a little sketchy. Let's click into this one, Galaxy Roses, while we wait. So we have this website here. it says they're selling them for $98, which is highly possible. Let's just put in 100 here. So this would leave us with an $18.44 profit. It is highly possible that this website is real, but I think they may be importing it. Yeah, so they are. So you would actually be importing this from Italy. There seems to be a lot of these small websites who sell them this cheaply. They tend to be either usually importing them, and then the cost of shipping is going to be extremely high. So let's see if we could actually move through with this. Let's add this to cart. All right, guys, sorry about that. I went through with it, and my address showed up. But it does look like it's actually free shipping. So if you did want to buy this product, here you go, Galaxy Roses. I would order one just to see if it works. Again, this is a very sketchy website. I don't know if it would ever actually come. But, it's worth a try. Everything's worth a try. $100 just to try it to see if it works. Go ahead. Or type in the contact us page and see if you get a bulk discount from them. I've done that before as well. So let's keep going. Obviously, we got summer coming up, outdoor stuff. So that's why I'm kind of looking in this. And this could be a great product. This is something that definitely gets much higher in price as the summer comes, as demand rises. Also seems to be a big private label product. Just by clicking in, we see people are currently testing this. You see the top 4 spots, the reviews are super low, which means these are all new. These are all new listings, except this one is sold by Amazon. So that this is a brand that's selling to Amazon, and these other 3 are private label. But if we click in, we can see these are fairly new, past few months. This one has only been in since February. This one since February as well. But let's go down. I believe this was it. Yep. So the buy cost is $99. Not profitable. Also, this is going to be extremely heavy usually. However, this is also something I'd see if I get a lower price on, or see if I get it somewhere else for cheaper, as D&H tends to be pretty expensive usually. But let's keep going. I'm not going to click on this chair. It's too big. Dual basket fryer. Man, some food sounds pretty good right now. So let's keep going here. $94, cost $67 here again. So this isn't profitable really. I would have to get this cheaper from D&H. Also, this looks extremely heavy, and the Keepa is not that good. So I'd probably pass on this product. But if I could get it cheaper, then maybe I would indulge. Again, guys, these types of things, and especially from places like Home Depot and Walmart, these types of outdoor items for the backyard are going to get super profitable as they sell out. And they will sell out because manufacturing the past year has still been quite low. I think by next summer, everything's going to be pretty much caught up, as a lot of that stuff is pretty much dying off now. But for the past year, when this stuff was supposed to be getting made, I think a lot of it still wasn't because of the World Health event. But it looks like this cost is $217, $14. It's not profitable. This person's selling it for $41 shipping, $260. So over $300 or $231. Oh, the Keepa is just terrible. See, that's why you always gotta look at the Keepa first. The Keepa is was atrocious. You just look at that again. Just going up. Just going way up. Let's keep going here. Power cord's not gonna be profitable. Let's actually go into the 4th page, just because a lot of people have this account at D&H. So when someone clicks on Home and Outdoors and view all, they're going to be seeing the same pages as us, which is why you might have to go a little bit deeper in here to find some profitable stuff. Let's click into this. Some stock. That's good. You always want to check if there's stock, because if there's not stock, you're going to want to back order that. All right, so this product has no buy box. There's 2 FBA sellers. The rank's actually really good. The Keepa looks good. Looks like the new third-party FBA offer has fallen. The FBM offer has stayed the same. Let's click in here. I got Chase telling me to review my credit journey. Let's double check this is the same one, 3,200 square foot. $12 buy cost, and currently it is selling for, the buy box is gone for some reason. They're currently selling for $19 $64. So I would need to get this product probably ideally around like $7.50, which might not be that hard. Or I'd even go up to $8 and rock a little profit like that. Because again, this is selling and this is something that will start to fly as the summer comes closer. And let's actually see. Let's go back to a year. So it's a perfect example of a seasonal product. It's seasonal, but it also does sell year-round because obviously there's parts of the U.S. that need this, like where I'm in Florida. People would need something like this. So you can see once the summer starts to hit, it drops dramatically. As you can see, these are summer months. We got April, and then weather starts to get warmer. You need to water your grass. It's dropping. However, it does look like the price doesn't go up too much. Did last summer, the price did go up fairly a lot, around $28, which I bet D&H was still selling these for about this price. It is possible they were sold out. Sorry about that. It is possible last summer that D&H or the major distributors sold out of this item, as that was the case for a lot of products. But, you know, could be a good product come summertime, and especially if you could get a couple bucks cheaper from D&H. I put in the UPC here just to see if I can find it anywhere else. Looks like I can't. So let's keep going. But this is something that I may put on a whole list, a whole sheet to my D&H rep and say, look, hey, I could buy 100 of these or the rest of the stock if I can get it at $8 a piece. Let's keep going. Andis Fast Trimmer. Then maybe we'll actually check out Home Depot as well. It's a really good OA website, especially for outdoor stuff. Also for light bulbs. If you guys are wanting to flip something right now, check out light bulbs. I've heard a lot of great things about that. I don't tell them because I feel like they'd break, but it is what it is. All right, so here, guys, this is a profitable product. Swear to God, this was not planned. This is simply a profitable product. So we got the Andis Fast Trim Trimmer. They're in stock at D&H. D&H looks like they have like about 80, 16, 18. Let's check the buy box. The buy box is decent. It's not that good. You'll probably only sell like 5 or 10 a month. However, if you want an extra $30 a month, this product is technically profitable at about an 18% margin. Obviously, there is shipping from D&H, but if you order enough, sometimes they waive it. So let's just go up. Let's round up to 7 for the shipping, and we got $275 profit each. Obviously, you got labels if you got a prep center. So let's round it up one last time to $775 all in cost. Our profit margin would come about $2, 12%. Margin. And also, this is something where you could run your own ads on it as well, just to get it some more traction and help out the listing, as it looks like people aren't really running ads on it. It was very profitable at some point, or the rank was very good at the lower price when Amazon was selling it, and then it started to rise. But, you know, is what it is. Seems like a very decent product. Honestly, I would probably pass on this just because it's the sales velocity is way too low. However, if you're brand new on Amazon and you want to kind of prove the concept, this is it's not a terrible product to get started with, just to kind of prove the concept and get it going. But guys, that was it. I said we'd end on a profitable product, and we did. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what videos you want to see, as I've made a ton. I made a ton already and kind of went over a lot of topics, and I don't like repeating myself that much. But if there's any more topics you guys want some clarity on, let me know in the comments below, and I will make those videos for you. Other than that, guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.